I can't, no. I can't believe that I'm saying this, but after 16 years of sharing recipes, we are finally writing a cookbook. So Adam and I have been testing recipes behind the scenes for a while now, and they are really good, but this is a big project and we need help. So we're hiring recipe testers. So here's the deal. You test 5 recipes over 2 weeks, give us your honest feedback, and then we pay you $2,000. Now, as you test, remember these recipes are confidential and they must stay a secret until the book comes out, which is kind of part of the fun. Now, you don't need to be a professional. If you love cooking, please apply. We are so honored to build this first book with you. It really is a dream of both mine and Adam's. All the details and everything you need to know is on Inspired Taste.